Please open that. I hope so. Challenges are inevitable. That, and I want that attitude. See and learn. So that's one. We need.
Yes po. Linggo-linggo po yun.
Po ng client. Parang ganun.
And don't look far. Sometimes these are your friends already. Okay, trabaho na agad. Sayang, binibigyan. You need to be able to answer, why do I want to have tatlong sasakyan o isang sasakyan? Sa akin, bakit noon? Bakit?
Mahal ko sila.
Kuha niya?
To be example.
So, bakit diba? Maganda sagot. Salamat.
Tapos ito.
Working pa rin ako.
Masterclass training. It helped me a lot. Who I am from now and my work ethics, especially to be the better version of myself.
Tanawin kong blessing to talaga kasi nakilala kita ma'am. So yun, thank you. Lagi ko lang yung sarili. Ayusin natin.
Kung paano the key for awareness and required for.
Thank you, Ms. Tony, for the 3-day sales executive masterclass training.
Power of being, di ba? Pag marami, natin ang details na sa face. Okay? No. Eat ka. Choose those details. Okay? Tama eh, nasa taas. So, tendency mo, tumingin sa detail. You don't want to emphasize, you don't repeat. About the hair. The last time, pinaroots mo siya. So, very, yung ibang kulay. Okay? Sobrang sikip or sobrang haba, kulang or bitin. Bitin yan. Actually, may 1 inch pa yan. Niya kung pasado. Next, mukhang nagkakakano. Diba nyo nga kung mukhang papaparty kung ladies lang. Diyan ka. Natanggal mo na. Ngayon, dahil hindi na ako niya, yung gano'n, diba? Pero kung ngayon ang convenience store, parang kaliwat ng saying is, kahit saan pala ilagay, ang gano'n, yung kahapon, 500. Diba kasi one-page companies. Then the page there. Anyway, kita nyo naman sa harap. Pinabanggit ko, Group 3 will handle... Group 3? Just choose, and when you choose, yun talagang may tayo sa role-playing natin. Now, in the event...
is not just the performance, kung paano sales.
Well, good afternoon, guys. From Hino.
Support from sales, spare parts.
Isip ka ba?
Iwasan natin yung bulungan.
The budget for the unit.
Tapos, sumali pala kayo.
Actually, pinatawag kita since nung binabanggit na nila yung specifications ng tool.
Yan lang yung overview. In fact,
Mindset that embraces challenges as opportunities.
I commit
To transforming negative self-talk
to transforming negative